we're going to do is we're going to take some beef mince. Now, an alternative could be corn. So you could use a vegetarian substitute for this, so you don't have to do it like this, but treat it just the same. I've got a pan here, nice and hot. Put the beef mince in, and there's not a drop of oil in that pan at all. If you are using corn, then you do need a little bit of oil in there and a lower temperature. Once it's all broken up reasonably, turn the heat down and then allow the beef to cook out. Now, for our mash, I've got two beautiful jacket potatoes. Scoop out the potato insides. Whilst hot, you need it to be hot, otherwise the starch that's in here gets activated and it becomes really gloopy. Butter. Lashings of butter in, and the heat of the mashed potato is going to melt that. Give it a good mix, a decent pinch of salt, a smidgen of cream, not of milk or cream, you can do both. Mashed potato ready to go. Some carrots. I'm going to peel those, or it, depending on how many you've got. But for the shepherd's pie, we only need one. Now we're going to top and tail. So cut off the base, cut off the head, throw that there. We're then going to cut it into manageable pieces. So you can see that the carrot rolls, cut it in half. Then cut off a small plank, and now that's quite steady. Alright, great. We just want diced carrots, so we're going to cut these into some even planks. There we go. And then into strips. So we've got 3 strips, and then turn them, and then into dice. Perfect. I'm going to do that all the way. Carrots, done. Onion, let's go. So again, cut the head, cut the tail, and then peel 1 or 2 layers off. So we're going to cut it through the root, have the root facing at 12 o'clock, and then slice down. And I'm not slicing through that the onion falls apart. Slicing down. Then turn the root to 9 o'clock and then slice down again. And that gives you diced onions. Carrots, onions, in. We got some peas here. We're going to put the peas in as well. We've then got some tomato puree. We're going to put that in now. Then going to add in some stock. Obviously, if it's vegetarian, you want to add in some veg stock. I'm going to let that simmer. Now, our meat, vegetables, and the thickened gravy is ready to go into our dish. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in. So, we then take our beautiful mash and put it on top. But this is the chance where you can, if you want, put some cheeky cheese in. So the cheeky cheese has gone in, give that a mix, just so it starts to melt. And that's just going to add another depth of flavour to your dish. And then we're going to place it on. And now, with the fork, I can just give it a nice kind of funky pattern to show that I've cared. Look at that. Clean up the edges, just using my thumb to go around. That is lovely. Some cheese on the top, if you want to, if you like cheese. and into the oven. Job done. Leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Job done.